In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can copy your TikTok profile URL link. Before we dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel, lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if you want to copy your TikTok profile link, what you're going to want to do is open up the TikTok app on your phone or your Android device and tap on the profile down in the bottom right corner. From here, tap those three lines up in the top right, and what you're going to want to do is choose settings and privacy at the very bottom. Under this account section right here on the settings and privacy page, you're going to see an option for share profile. Go ahead and select that, and then see the option specifically for copy link. Go ahead and choose that. And now that TikTok URL is going to be copied to your clipboard, you can now test it by pasting it into something like your Notes app, for example. As you can see, if I put it in here, that's going to be that TikTok URL link, or you can really paste it anywhere you'd like. On top of that, if you back out and go back to your profile right here, you can also hit edit and you'll see that exact same link within your edit profile section. You may notice that there's like this little question mark on here. You can go ahead and delete that. It doesn't really mean anything. It's just kind of in there for an extra thing. The main portion of that link is going to still take you directly to that profile. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.